The mission of Max Estates is to offer spaces for residential and commercial use with the utmost attention to detail, design and lifestyle.
I think for anybody who chooses to come and live on the Max Estate site in this community on Rajpur Road, that is going to be the biggest blessing, that you are dwelling in a perfectly poised equilibrium between spirituality and nature, and yet you are within an urban embrace of the city of Dehradun.
I was rehearsing a Masosa Festival play, Anton Chekhov's The Proposal, when Ashok Ji was hospitalized with COVID. The last 2 days, he had given so much energy to the play, so many innovations to the character, that I thought, wow, he's elevated the play several degrees because of his innovations, because of the excess energy he was giving it. And that this play is going to be hit, and so is this character. Then I learned 24 hours later that he was hospitalized with COVID. I hadn't realized at that time that all that excess burst of energy was hiding a creeping weakness in his body because of COVID. Ashok Ji was special for many people. I've lost a lot of classmates and family members. I haven't cried then, but I cried when I heard about his passing, and so did many other people. He had a special quality about him. You know, we never met regularly, nor did we talk on the phone regularly, except when we had rehearsals, when we met earlier, during the earlier plays when I directed him, met personally or, online as we did now. But I just felt that I'd found a very trusted friend whom I loved. Without much ado, I think he just endeared himself to people. That was a part of his personality. I do hope Rama and the family find the strength to bear this loss. He was a great architect, an actor par excellence, and a great peacemaker between warring factions of theatre groups. And I hope, Ashok Ji, that your soul finds peace knowing how many people you touched in your lifetime and how they would miss you. Thank you so much for being a part of our lives. You were special for many of us.
ओए होए ये सूट वूट कौन है? लुकिंदर कपूर. What a surprise, what a pleasant surprise. Putter, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And how are you, Chopra uncle?
ओए पुत्र कट रही है, रब दी बड़ी मेहर है. ओए तू खलोता क्यों है? बह ना, सिट ना. गुआंढियां नू भुलना नहीं चाहिए. You should not forget your neighbors. पर पुत्र एक गल दस, ये सूट वूट पाके कितने चला है? ओए times are very bad. You have to be very careful these days. पार्टियां शाटियां च नहीं जाना चाहिए.
No, I've come only to see you, Chopra uncle.
To see me? तो फिर सूट वूट दी की लोड़ सी?
Well, you see, it's like this. I have come to you, Uncle Ji, to trouble you with a request. Not once or twice already have I been obliged by you, and you have always, so to speak, always obliged. I am awfully excited. May I drink some water?
पी ना, पी ले. पैसे मंगन आया है, मैंने इन्नू एक फूटी कौड़ी नहीं देनी. 10 गल की है?
Well, you see, Chopra uncle. I mean, I'm so sorry. I mean, Chopra. I mean, I'm awfully excited, as you may have noticed. Basically, you alone can help me. Though I don't deserve it, of course, and I don't have any right to take you for granted.
ओए होए, गोल बोल गल्ला ना कर. सीधे सीधे 10. पैसे दे अलावा ना जो चाहिए मंग ले.
एक मिनट सर. The fact is, I have come to ask the hand of your daughter Natasha in marriage.
की क्या? ओए पुत्र जब भी पा ओ मैनू सुनाई नहीं दिता एक बार और बोल पुत्र.
I have the honor to ask the hand of your daughter in marriage.
Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy, Putter. You know, I've been waiting for this day for so long. Putter, you know, I have always loved you like my own son. My blessings to both of you. ਓਏ, ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਸ਼ੁਦਾਈ ਹਾਂ, ਇੱਥੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ. ਇੱਕ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਰੁਕ, ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣੇ ਹੀ ਨਤਾਸ਼ਾ ਨੂੰ ਸੱਦ ਕੇ ਲਾਣਾ.
Chopra uncle.
ਹਾਂ.
Do you think she will agree?
Of course she will agree. Putter, she's a lovesick puppy for you. Or she is madly in love with you. तू बैठ है, मैं हुने 1 मिनट च आया.
Love sick puppy. Oh yaar, oh what it hurt है. I'm trembling all over. मैं ऐसे कबरा पे आ जैसे कोई एग्जाम हो गए. Anyway, the good thing is that I have my mind all made up. If I give myself time to think, to hesitate, to talk a lot, to run after love, shove, pyar, then I'll never get married. And BG would have wanted me to get married. BG, तुसी खुश थे हो ना? Oh, it's cold. BG, तुसी हो? Anyway, Natasha will make an excellent Garwali. She's sundar, पढ़ी लिखी भी है. What more do I want? But I'm getting a noise in my ears from all this excitement. बीजी, तुसी कुछ कह रहे हो क्या? ओह, और शादी नहीं करा, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. In the first place, I'm already 45, a critical age. In the second place, I ought to lead a quiet and regular life. I suffer from palpitations. I'm excitable and always getting terribly upset. At this very moment, my lips are trembling and there's a twitch in my left eyebrow. Oh. But the very worst of it all is the way I sleep. I no sooner get into bed and begin to go off that there's something in my left side that gives a pull. And I can feel it in my shoulders and in my head. Oh, I jump up like a madman, walk about a bit, and then lie back down. But then as soon as I begin to get off to sleep again, that there's something that gives another pull. And this may happen 10 or 20 times.
Oh, तुम हो. And Papa said कोई businessman आ रहा है अपना माल उठाने. So, how are you, Loki Kapoor?
I'm fine, thank you. And how are you, Natasha ji?
Oh, I'm fine, thanks. Oh, you must excuse my rollers. I was just chilling, you know, and baking my brownies. So, बड़े दिनों बाद दिखाई दिए. क्या बात है? बैठो. Would you like to have some coffee or some brownies?
No, thank you. I'm trying to keep my weight down, Natasha ji.
Oh, come on. Have a drink then. You know where the bar is? The weather is splendid now. But you know, yesterday, Loki, it was so wet that my workers didn't do a damn thing the whole day through. By the way, have you harvested your crops yet? Oh, I'm so silly, you know. I had the whole field cut the day before. And now I feel my crops may rot. I ought to have waited a bit now. Hey! What's this? Why are you in a formal suit? Are you going to a shadi or what? Though I must say you're looking very handsome. So tell me, why are you dressed up like that?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है नीतू. मेरा मतलब है Natasha ji. The fact is, I have made up my mind to ask you something. Of course, you'll be surprised. हो सकता है आप नाराज भी हो जाओ, but oh यार, what it had, I'm trembling all over.
Vaccine का reaction है.
नहीं जी, वो वैक्सीन लगवाए हुए तो बहुत दिन हो गए.
Oh, come on, bolo bhi. What's the matter?
I'll try to be brief. You must know, Natasha ji, that I have for long, since my childhood, in fact, had the privilege of knowing your family. My late Taya and Tai, from whom, as you know, I inherited my land, had the greatest respect for your father and your late mother. And the Chopras and the Kapoors have always had the most friendly and, if I might say, the most male-jol wala relations with each other. Ji. And as you know, my land is adjoining yours. You will remember that my ghas wala khali plot touches your
Hello,
orchard.
hello. Excuse my interrupting you. You say my ghas wala khali plot, but is that really yours?
Yes, mine.
What are you talking about? That ghas wala khali plot is ours, not yours.
No, Natasha ji, it's mine.
Well, I never knew that before. How do you make that out?
How? Oh, ji, I'm speaking of that ghas wala khali plot, which is wedged between your orchard and the Band Road.
Yes, yes, मैं भी उसी की बात कर रही हूँ. That is ours.
No, you're mistaken, Natasha ji. It's mine.
अरे सोच Lucky Kapoor, how long has it been yours?
How long? Oh, dear, as long as I can remember.
Really? You won't get me to believe that.
Oh, but you can see it from the documents, Natasha ji. The ghas wala khali plot, it's true, was once the subject of dispute. But now everybody knows that it's mine. There's nothing to argue about. You see, my Pardadi gave the free use of the ghas wala khali plot to your Pardada's servants for the grazing of his cows, in return for which his servants are supposed to make a kandas for her. Oh, ji, you know kandas? Oh, ji, gobar cakes. Well, the servants had the free use of the ghas wala khali plot for so many years that they got into the habit of
What
using it as their own.
nonsense! ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. I clearly remember my Pardada and Dada always said that our land extended to Band Road, including the ghas wala khali plot. I don't see what is there to argue about. It's simply silly.
Oh, gee, you can see it from the documents, Natasha ji.
No. You're kidding, right? Or are you trying to make fun of me? What a surprise. We've had the land in our family for more than 100 years, and today suddenly we are told it's not ours. Look, Kinder Kapoor, I can hardly believe my own ears. I mean, this ghas wala khali plot isn't worth much to me, you know. कितना है? 5 acre. कितने का होगा? 20 crore? चलो 25 crore. But I can't stand beimani. Say what you will, I can't stand unfairness.
Hear me out, please. The servants of your Pardada was, as I've already explained to you, used to make gobar cakes for my Pardadi. Now my Pardadi wishing to just...
ओहो, मुझे तो सर पैर समझ नहीं आ रहा. किसकी दादी, केरी ताई, किसका दादा, किसका लक्कड़ दादा? The ghas wala khali plot is ours, and that's all.
Mine.
Ours. And you can go on proving it for days on end. And wear as many of these sutta te butta. But I tell you, the ghas wala khali plot is ours. I don't want anything of yours, and I will not give up anything of mine. So there.
Natasha ji, I don't want the ghas wala khali plot. Oh, mainu nahi chahiye. But I'm acting on principle, you see. Oh ji, if you like, मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ gift कर देना, हाँ?
ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ gift ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ. Oh, Lucky Kapoor, I can make you a present of it myself because it's mine. वाह जी वाह, मेरा ही plot मुझे ही gift करोगे? Your behavior, Lucky Kapoor, is strange to say the least. Up to this minute, we have always thought of you as a good neighbor, एक अच्छा पड़ोसी. Don't you remember? Last year, we even gave you our threshing machine, because of which we delayed our threshing till November. But you behave with us as if we are beggars. No, really, that's not at all neighborly of you. In my opinion, it's even shameless if you really want to know.
Then you are saying, madam, that I am a land grabber? Madam, never in my life have I grabbed anybody else's land, and I shan't allow anybody to accuse me of having done so. The ghas wala khali plot is mine.
It's not true. It's ours.
Mine.
Ours. And I'll prove it. I will send my Marlies to the Ghaswala Khali plot this very day. Loki Kapoor.
Why do you keep calling me this Loki?
Because you're a vegetable. I will send my Marlies there this very moment.
Oh, मैं उन्हें लत्ता मार के बाहर निकाल देंगा.
You dare?
Oh, the ghas wala khali plot is mine. You understand? Mine.
Please don't shout. You can shout yourself hoarse as much as you want in your own house. But here, I must ask you to restrain yourself.
Oh, if it wasn't, madam, for this awful, excruciating palpitation, if my whole inside wasn't upset, I'd talk to you in a very different way. The ghas wala khali plot is mine.
Ours.
Mine.
Ours.
Mine.
Ullu da Patha.
ओए हो की क्या? What are you shouting at?
Papa, इसे बता दो, please. Tell this gentleman who owns the Ghaswala Khali plot, we or he?
ओ केड़ा? ओ बंद रोड वाला?
Yes.
वो ते साडा है पुत्र.
Oh, but please, Chopra uncle, how can it be yours? Do be a reasonable man. My Pardadi gave the free use of the Ghaswala Khali plot to your grandfather's servants for the grazing of his cows. The servants got used to it for many years, and when it happened that...
एक मिनट पुत्र, एक मिनट. तू एक कल बोल रहा है. Servants paid nothing to your परदादी. You know why? क्योंकि उधर झगड़ा चलता पिया सी. पर now, when everybody knows, it is ours. मैनू लगता है तू पटवारी दा नक्शा नहीं वेख्या.
I'll prove to you that it's mine.
Why you will bloody prove nothing.
I shall.
Wait, don't shout. I am telling you, by shouting, you will change nothing. I must make one thing very clear to you. Whatever is yours, I don't want to touch it. Whatever is mine, I will not give it up. And why should I? And if you keep arguing with me now, I will give it to the farmers sitting on the border, but not to you.
I don't understand. How do you have the right to give away somebody else's property?
Wait, don't speak to me like this. I am not used to being spoken like that. What is my right? What is not my right? Wait, तू अपनी उम्र वेखी है? और मेरी उम्र वेखी है? मैं तेरे नालों किन्ना वड्डा हां. तेनू शर्म नहीं आंदी? ओए तमीज नाल गल कर, कंजर.
No. You think I'm an idiot and you are trying to make a fool out of me. First you call my land yours and then you expect me to talk to you calmly and politely. Good neighbors don't behave like that, Mr. Chopra. You are not a neighbor. You are a land grabber.
ओए की क्या तू?
Papa, send the Marlies to the Ghaswala Khali plot at once. मैं कहती हूँ आप अभी भेजो.
ओए की क्या तू? लौकी, मैं तेरा परता बना देगा.
The Ghaswala Khali plot is ours, and I won't give it up. Won't give it up. Won't give it up.
We'll see. I'll have the matter taken to court and then I'll show you.
ओए तू कचहरी जाएगा? वो तूने जिथे जाना है जा. खोते दा पुत्र. Your bloody whole family is like that. All of them. All of them.
Never mind about my family. The Kapoors have all been honorable people. Not one has ever been tried for embezzlement like your grandfather.
ओए तेरा पूरा टब्बर ही पागल है. पागल. All of them. All of them.
Yes, all.
ओए तेरा ग्रैंडफादर ना पियक्कड़ सी, ड्रंकर्ड. तेरी छोटी बुआ उन्ने ते कमाल ही कर दिता सी. वो ते अपने ड्राइवर नाल भज गई सी.
ओ तुहाडी मां कुबड़ी सी.
ओए तेरा प्यो जुआरी सी, जुआरी.
And there haven't been many backbiters to equal your buas. Bloody chugalkhors.
Oh, my left foot has gone to sleep. Oh, you are a cheater. Oh, my heart. And it's an open secret that before the last elections you bribed. Oh, मैंने तारे विकदे पहने. मेरा मोबाइल किथे है? Oh.
It's low, it's dishonest, it's mean. Loki Kapoor.
Oh, but I'm high key right now.
No, you are a bloody double-faced liar.
Oh, here's my mobile. Oh, which way? Where's the door? Oh, my marda pyar. My left foot has gone to sleep. मैंने stroke तो नहीं हो रहा.
अरे हो जाए तदे ही चंगा है. एक गल और सुन लें. कदी मेरे घर च कदम ना रखी. अगर आया तो टंगा तुड़वा देंगा तेरी.
Take us to court, huh?
अरे
We'll see.
कमीना कहीं का. कंजर.
What a rascal ना पापा. आजकल तो पड़ोसियों पर भरोसा ही नहीं कर सकते.
अजी बदमाश लुच्चा लफंगा.
Really, what a monster. राक्षस कहीं का. First he takes our land and then he has the guts to abuse us. वाह जी वाह.
ओए हराम खोर दी हिम्मत ते देखो. प्रपोज करना ऐसी. मैरिज दा प्रपोजल लेके आया सी.
Huh? What did you say?
वो तेनू प्रपोज करना आया सी.
To propose? To me? Why did you tell me before, Papa?
ओए कपड़े शपड़े पाके स्टफ्ड लॉकी.
Oh, he came to propose to me. Oh, bring him back, please. Bring him here.
व्हाट्स द मैटर. मेरा तो दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा. मैनू लगता है ना मैं तो अपने आप को फांसी ला ला.
Oh, I'm dying. I'm falling sick. Fetch him, please. Loki.
ओए
Oh,
रोला
my
मत पा.
Loki. वापस आ जा.
प्लीज एक सेकंड रुक. मैं जानना वेखदा उन्हें बुला के लाना. एक सेकंड.
What have you done to me? What have you done to me? Loki, वापस आ जाओ ना. Oh, एक कितना लंबा सी.
ओए ओए
Loki,
आ रहा है.
वापस आ जा.
रोला मत पा. वो आ रहा है. एक सेकंड. अब पे ही गल कर नहीं. मैनू बिल्कुल ना पाई.
Fetch him.
What a burden it is to be the father of a middle-aged daughter. तू अनु गाला कढ़िया. You drove him away.
No, you did that.
It's not my fault. Anyway, he is coming now. आप पे डील कर ले उदे नाल. मैनू बिल्कुल मत पाई बीच.
Oh, my heart is palpitating awfully. My foot's gone to sleep or something keeps pulling in my side. Oh, मैंने क्यों बुलाया?
Forgive us, Loki Kapoor. थोड़ी गर्मा गर्मी हो गई. We were all a little heated, You know that घास वाला खाली plot is yours.
Oh, my heart is beating awfully. Oh, my घास वाला खाली plot.
Yes, that घास वाला खाली plot is yours, darling, yours. Oh, please forgive us. बैठो ना. We were so wrong about you.
Oh, I did it on principle. That land is worth little to me, but it's just the principle.
Yes, the principle. Chalo छोड़ो. Let's talk about something else.
The more, as I have evidence. My Pardadi gave the land to your Pardada for the grazing of his cows.
Yes, let that pass, na. अच्छा, ये तो कुछ और बात ही नहीं करता. अच्छा, Loki, tell me, are you going to enter your dog in the KCI dog show?
Oh, haven't you heard? Oh, बड़ी tragedy हो गई सी. My dog Guess, whom you know, has gone lame. Oh, लंगड़ा हो गया है.
Oh no, what a pity. But how?
I don't know. Must have got twisted or bitten by some other dog. Oh, my very best dog, to say nothing of the expense. I gave Malhotra 1.5 lakhs for him.
Oh, no. Come on, Loki. That was too much.
I think it was very cheap. He's a first-rate dog.
Papa gave 85,000 for our Prada. And Prada's heaps better than Guess any day.
Prada, better than Guess. Oh, what an idea. Prada better than Guess.
I mean, yeah, Prada's young. She may develop a bit. But on points and pedigree, she's better than any dog even Ambani's have ever owned.
Excuse me, Natasha ji, but you forget that Prada is overshot. And an overshot always means that the dog is a bad pedigree.
Overshot is she? First time I hear it.
I assure you that her lower jaw is shorter than the upper.
Acha, have you measured?
Yes, well, she's all right at following, of course, but if you want her to get a hold of anything, she can't even fetch a ball.
First of all, Prada is a thoroughbred. Okay? She's the offspring of Armani and Gucci. While there is no telling of the pedigree of your dog, he's old and as ugly as a worn-out donkey.
He may be old, but I wouldn't take 5 Pradas for him. Why, how can you? Guess is a dog. As for Prada, well, it's too funny to argue. Anybody you know has a dog as good as Prada. हर गली मोहल्ले में मिल जाते हैं Prada जैसे कुत्ते. 2,500 would be a handsome price to pay for her.
2,500? There is some demon of contradiction in you today, Loki Kapoor. First you say that our land is yours, and now that guess is better than Prada? Ha! I don't like people who don't say what they mean. You know perfectly well that our Prada is 100 times. No, make that 1,000 times better than your stupid guess. इसमें कोई बहस वाली बात ही नहीं है.
I see, Natasha ji, that you consider me either blind or a fool. You must realize that Prada is overshot.
It's not true.
She is.
Shoot.
Why shout, madam?
Why talk rubbish? It's awful. I think your guest should actually be shot. You're comparing him with my Prada? Ridiculous.
Excuse me. I cannot continue with this conversation. My heart is palpitating.
Yes. The dog owners who argue most know the least.
Oh, madam, please be silent. My heart is going to pieces. Shut up!
I shan't shut up. Acknowledge that my Prada is 100 times better than your guess.
100 times worse. Oh, to hell with your damn Prada. Her eyes, her head, her shoulder. Oh.
To hell with your guess. And he's half dead already.
Oh, madam, shut up. My heart is bursting.
I shan't shut up.
Oh.
Well, what's the matter now? Why are you fighting again?
Oh, thank God you're here, Papa. Can you please tell this gentleman who's a better dog, our Prada or his horrible guess?
Chopra uncle, I request you to tell me one thing. Just one thing. Is your Prada overshot or not? Yes or no?
Well, even if she is overshot, how does it make a difference? She is still the best dog in the whole NCR.
Oh, but isn't my guess better? Really now?
Well, don't get excited, Puttar. Your guess has its good points. He's a thoroughbred and all that. But there are 2 fundamental problems. First, he's too old. Second, udhi thoothni na thodi choti hai.
Oh, excuse me, my heart. Let's check the facts. You will remember that in the dog race, my guest ran neck and neck with the chief minister's dog, while your Prada was left a whole yard behind.
Well, she got left behind because chief minister's handler hit her with a whip.
And with good reason. The dogs were running a race, while your Prada goes and starts chasing a cat.
Well, jhoot mat bol. Mainu gussa na dila. Well, you are just jealous of my dog. Just when you see any dog is better than your guess, you start saying this, that, and the other. Oh, mainu sab yaad hai. Mainu sab yaad hai.
I remember too.
Oh, tenu ki yaad hai? Bol.
Oh, my heart, my foot's gone to sleep.
My heart! Ha! What sort of a man are you? You ought to be going inside my kitchen and washing my dirty baking dishes and not running after cats and dogs and dog shows. My heart!
What sort of a man are you? You should stay at home with your palpitations, not go to dog shows. You go there only to argue and fight with the dog owners and interfere with their dogs. Oye, menu gussa mat dila. Change the topic.
Oh, and you only go to dog shows to butter up the CM and to show off. You are nothing but a chamcha.
Shut up, Pilla.
Chamcha.
Oye, Pilla.
Chamcha.
Shut up. Otherwise, I'll shoot you like a mad dog.
Oh, my heart. Everybody knows that your late wife used to beat you. Oh,
ओए तू ते अपनी झाड़ू वाली दी चप्पल दे थल्ले है
there, my heart burst, my shoulders come off. Oh, where is my shoulder? Oh, मैं मरदा पिया हुआ है, कोई डॉक्टर को बुलाओ.
Papa, what's the matter with him? Papa, look. Loki Kapoor. Lokinder Kapoor. He's dead. Oh my God, what have you done? Papa, look. Loki Kapoor. He's dead. Call the doctor.
ओए ओनू पानी पिला मेरा मुंह की देख रही है छेती नाल पानी दे ओए, पानी नहीं पी रहा लगदा है ते गया ट्राई कर पुत्र ट्राई कर हिल रहा है
Oh, I see stars. Oh, मैनू तारे विकदे पे ने मैनू धुआं विकदा पिया. Oh, where am I?
तारे मत वेख एदा हाथ फड़ ते शादी कर ले. She is ready. My blessings are with you and please leave me in peace.
Huh? What? To whom?
ओए खोते जब भी पा ते स्यापा मुका.
Oh, thank God you're okay. And yes, I'm so willing, darling. I'm willing.
ओए होए दोनों जब भी पाओ ना और वेट की कर रहे हो
Chappi te puppy. Oh, very nice. I'm so happy, Natasha.
I'm happy too, darling.
What a weight off my shoulders.
But now you'll admit now, na, that guess is worse than Prada.
Is better.
Worse.
What a great way to start the family. Let's have champagne.
Is better.
Worse.
Champagne. Wait,
Then I have to put this back. One second. Viramai.
He must have gone out of the room.
Should I call him?
Yeah.
I had switched off my phone. Now I'm switching it on.
अजी बदमाश लुच्चा लफंगा.
Really? What a monster. Do you want me to repeat this?
कंजर कहीं का.
आपने आगे भी तो बोलना है.
कुछ खास नहीं है बेटा.
Oh, sorry. हाँ, sorry. Take us to court, huh?
ओ मैनू सब याद है.
I remember too.
ओए तेनू की याद है? बोल.
Oh, excuse me. My heart. Oh, my heart. What's the line? I'm sorry. I always mess up. Oh, you could have taken it, Sadhana. My heart. Sadhana, you're on mute.
My hair has become so flat. Itni mehnat kari maine. Horrible.
Let's take it from the beginning.